Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Giuseppe and you are watching the channel of the Italian Keto Guy. If you don't know me yet, in my channel you can find traditional recipes converted into keto ones. I have fun in doing this, and today I'm going to show you a very nice recipe. I would like to say sfiziosa, but right now I don't know the translation in English. I will write it down when I edit the video. A mini baguette. It's fully proteic, it's delicious, but let's jump straight away into the recipe. In a small cup, let's put 45 grams of warm water, not boiling hot, but warm. 5 grams of olive oil. A teaspoon of baking powder. Let's mix everything together very well, so to combine all the ingredients. You could put also the egg white here. I made a mistake, I'm putting them now, but if you want you can put it together with the oil and the water. In another container, let's add 50 grams of flaxseed, golden flaxseed flour. Very well refined. 15 grams of grated parmesan. You can avoid it if you want. 9 grams of bamboo fiber. 9. Now I'm going to put some salt, a pinch of salt. It's up to you. Salt to taste. And as I said, you can put the egg white, 35 grams, a medium egg, together with the oil and the water. Not now, but it's up to you. And make a good stir. Let's give a good stir to the ingredients, so to combine them together and also to squeeze the lumps that the parmesan may have formed with the humidity. Let's add the liquid ones we prepared before, and let's give a good stir as well, so to combine the ingredients, and keep stirring. First with spatula or just with hands, the best tools ever. So to give the time to the dry ingredients to absorb the liquid ones. When you see that the dough detaches itself from the inside of the recipient, the container, it's ready. You can give just a little shape right now, a shape of anything you want, bowl, whatever, a loaf, and 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and for 35 minutes. Just use a toothpick inside to see if it's cooked. And now, as usual, the tasting. Really delicious. A proteic bread. I can slightly taste the parmesan. The eggs, no egg white. I mean, I put it into the recipe, but I can taste it in the mouth. Can you freeze them? Yes, absolutely. You can freeze them. And of course, this is a mini baguette. If you want a larger one, increase the doses by respecting the proportions among the ingredients. If you don't want to put the parmesan because you don't eat cheese, dairy products, it's up to you. You can avoid it. But if you buy the parmesan that was seasoned, if I can say, for 3 years, I don't know if seasoned is the correct word, I apologize. It was left to stay for 3 years. Casein amounts are very low. So anyway, if you don't eat parmesan, I respect your opinion, just avoid it. Let's see now the nutritional values of the ingredients I used, so I can say that those baguettes are really zero carbs. Those are the nutritional values of the flaxseed flour I used here in Italy, of course. But pay attention to the value of the carbs, minus 0.5 grams, so nothing. I think also the flaxseed flour you use in your country, they should be like this. Sometimes the dark ones have got a higher number of carbs, pay attention. So 24 grams, and we used 50 grams of product, so 12 grams of protein in each baguette, and 50.5 grams of fat is grassy on the top. And that's it. So I can say that the baguette I'm showing you today are really proteic and zero carbs. Let's give a brief look now to the bamboo fiber I used. This is a fiber, so there are zero carbs, zero protein, zero fats, grassi in Italiano, and a lot of fiber as well. So no carbs added. Okay. So I hope you like them. If you do, please leave a comment. If you don't, leave a comment anyway. I can accept when people don't like my recipe. We are all different. If you like, give me a like, please, and subscribe to the channel. I just passed 4,000 followers thanks to it, and I am aiming straight to the 5,000 ones. Thank you again. I love you all. See you at the next recipe. Ciao.